always been the one to say the first goodbye. Had to love and lose 100,000,000 times. Had to get it wrong to know just what I like. Now I'm falling. You say my name like I have never heard before. I'm indecisive, but this time I know for sure. I hope I'm not the only one that feels it all. Are you falling? Center of attention, you know you can get whatever you want from me. Whenever you want it, baby. It's you and my reflection. I'm afraid of all the things it could do to me. If I would've known it, baby, I would've stayed at home.
Hi,
'Cause I
Emma.
was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed at home. 'Cause now there ain't no letting you go. Am I
Hey, Camille.
falling in love with the one that could break my heart? Oh no, I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed at home. 'Cause now there ain't no letting you go. Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? I wonder when you go if I stay on your mind. You can play that game, but you win me every time. Everyone before you was a waste of time. Yeah, you got me. Center of attention, you know you can get whatever you want from me. Whenever you want it, baby. It's you and my reflection. I'm afraid of all the things it could do to me. If I would've known it, baby, I would've stayed at home. 'Cause I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed at home. 'Cause now there ain't no letting you go. Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? Oh no, I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed at home. 'Cause now there ain't no letting you go. Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? Break my heart. Break my heart. Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? I would've stayed at home. 'Cause I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed at home. 'Cause now there ain't no letting you go. Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? Oh no, I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed at home. 'Cause now there ain't no letting you go. Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart?
Alright, that was Dua Lipa for you. Now that's Break My Heart. Magandang hapon ho, no? Welcome sa ating CMS Radio. And we are live sa Cherishans at 30 group page, no? So, my name is Marvin. Wala lang tayong magawa, no? We're just staying home. And siguro for an hour, I'll try to play some of your favorite songs, no? So, currently, si Camille Saroca is watching. Thanks, Camille. Yun naman, no? So, we are live. Cherishans at 30.
If I would've known it, baby, I would've stayed at home. 'Cause I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should've stayed at home. 'Cause now there ain't no letting you go. Am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? Oh no, I was doing better alone.
Tinitignan ko lang yung ating group page, no? I think there was a post from Doreen, si Miss Frias. I think siya ang administrator dito sa page na to. So, hello, hi Miss Frias. Sabi niya dito, CMS Spirit, I think, I lead, and I care. So, So, meron tayong parang ano dito, no? Protect our frontliners. So, meron parang outreach program si Emma Cabrera, no? That's good. Alright, again, this is just a test live from, I'm actually from Western Australia, no? Batch 2006. My name is Marvin. You're listening to CMS Radio, no? So let's see what we can play for you. This is a very familiar song for everyone, no? Yung mga mahilig mag-anime dyan, no? Check your time, it's 1:33 p.m., 20th of April, CMS Radio. Dragon Ball Z naman, ano? Alright, again, magandang hapon, ano? You're listening to Marvin, and nandito po kayo sa Cherisan at 30, no? So, tambay-tambay lang tayo while listening to some of the hits ng 90s, 2000, ano? Here's another song. Welcome, CMS Radio.
Me
was Fighter, no? That was in the ano ba yan, early 2000. Welcome again, you're listening to Cherry Chance at 30. CMS Radio, My name is Marvin. It's 1:40 p.m., no? Tambay lang kayo dyan. And stay at home. Huwag na muna tayo lalabas, no? Konting tiis lang. Ilang araw na lang yan. Alright, check this one out. Another soundtrack, no, from I think it's a Slam Dunk, no, Channel 7 ba yun? Si Sakurage, alala nyo? Again, welcome sa lahat, magandang hapon. This is Marvin and we are live sa group page ng Cherishans at 30, no? Marami members dito. Magandang hapon, no? Again, stay home. Wala lang tayong magawa, nakatambay lang, no? Batiin ko lang si Camille, no? And Mel, they're currently watching now sa live, no? Magandang hapon. And kay Mel, it's good morning sa, I think nasa Louisiana siya, no? Alright. So, samahan niyo po ako hanggang maybe 2:30, no? I'll just play a few songs. Tambayan lang, no? Kamustahan. Medyo may challenge kasi 3 decades to, no? Di ko nakilala yung iba. Basta ang alam ko, ang batch ko ay 2006. So mga kabatch ko dyan ha, kamusta naman kayo dyan? 2006. Wala ba akong tunog dyan? Yan naman. Alright, tingnan natin to. Meron tayong pinost si Miss Frias, no? I think this was from Emma Cabrera, no? So, sabi dito, protect our frontliners. And sabi niya, help fight the COVID-19 threat by providing our doctors and nurses and medical staff with PPE, no? Yung ginagamit, personal protective equipment. So, pwede kayo mag-sponsor for 450. Wow. Okay, so pwede kayo yung may mga extra dyan, ano? Pwede kayo mag-donate kay, I think the account name is there, no? Pwedeng bank transfer, pwedeng GCash. Protect our frontliners. Yun naman, no? That's a very nice initiative from the CMS, no? Si Emma Cabrera. Thank you so much. Let's see, I'll just go through some of the posts here. Medyo walang activity masyado, no? Sa CMS at 30, no? Yan nga yung PP, sabi ni Emma, si Sir Chris. I think siya yung president ng ating alumni association, no? Batiilan natin Sir Chris, kamusta na, no? Post siya ng mga video link. I think nung mahal na araw to, no? Yan naman, no? And I think Jason shared something. I think kailangan niya ng mga 3,000 comments. Wow, sa TikTok. Yun naman, And sino ta? Si May Pauline Visperas. Nag-post siya ng sample face mask. So, mura siya, no? 40 pesos for the special mask and 30 for the regular mask. Pwede nyo siyang kontakin doon, ano? Meron siyang phone number na pinost. That's May Pauline. I don't know kung anong batch na si May, no? But, ayan, nagsishare sila ng information. Si Emma posted another something related sa, ano to, no? Cherish through the years. We're proud to be part of you. And I think an alumni seed fund for our next project and a gift giving for the children of Region 1. Wow! Palakpakan naman natin yan. That's very... May mga projects din pala tayong ginagawa dyan. Ano? Si Miss Emma Cabrera and Sir Chris. Nako, thank you so much. Talaga naman. And this is a post from May Visperas, no? So, I think this is a photo taken ng Mardi Gras Alumni Nights, no? I think yung reunion natin last year. Oh, and Emma posted an update sa mga alumni officers. So for the year to 2020 and until 2025, may mga bago tayong officers, no? Congratulations kay Sir Chris. Siya ang ating president, no? And Vice President si Janus Gonzalez. Ang kanyang secretary si Emma. And si Deo, si Vidal ata to, Vidal Pinulyar, no? And treasurer si Milay DCR and si Patrick Guba, no? At ang auditor natin si Berna Quizon. Wow. Tingnan nyo nga naman, no? From 1993 hanggang 2014 ba? Dami ng batch, no? Siyempre, ang batch ko dyan, 2006. Huwag nakalimutan. Mga batch ko dyan sa 2006. Ayan naman. Alright. Check your time. It's 1:50 p.m. Monday ho ngayon, 20th of April. Hanggang kailan ba yung lockdown? Hanggang next week? End of April? Kung may gusto kayong ikwento, mag-comment lang kayo dyan, may gusto kayong i-share na information. Kung gusto nyo batiin ng mga mates nyo, kung anong batch man yan, siguro mga 2013, 2009. Oh, ang daming members dito, 1,417. So, siguro after ng live session natin, magiging na yan, 2,000. Naks naman. Ayun naman may sumasayaw. Nag-post si May. Intermission number from batch 2001. Naks naman galing naman sumaya ng batch 2001. Kita niya? And si Rain Ann Madronio, she's from batch 2004, Sabi niya, hashtag proud to be Cherishans. Naks naman. And they're wearing the color purple. Yun ang mga batch 2004, Si Rain Ann Madronio. And si Emma, nag-post siya ng beloved CMS former teachers. Naks naman. Ayan, yung mga teachers natin ng araw. Teka lang, sino ba nakakilala ko dito? Si Miss Ladip, si Sir Rachel, nandun, si Miss Ladip ulit. Sino pa ba? Si Miss Frias, kilala ko yun And dyan yan somewhere. Yun naman, napapaghalata ang batch, Noong 2006. Ito, 2007, medyo close kami ng batch nito, Si Arian Lopez. Nag-post siya ng mga photos ng mga mates niya, sa 2007. So, ahead kami ng 1 year dito, 2007 to. And then there was a alumni mass, Maraming salamat kay Father Jonathan Dulay, batch 2000. Seryoso, meron tayong pare, Wow, galing. Batch 2000, si Father Jonathan Dulay. Ahead sa akin to kasi 2000 siya, 2006 na. And si May, nag-post na naman siya ng photos ng CMS at 30. And Emma, ano bang batch si Emma? Sabi niya, CMS, hashtag 3 decades of excellence, 1 CMS, sabi niya. Salamat sa ating lahat. To God be the glory. Yan ang sabi sa photo booth ng alumni, And I think this is a video ng motorcade, December 29, Shared by Irma Abrigo Garin. Talaga naman, Ibang klase talaga ang mga Cherishans, Imagine, 3 decades. Ang dami na nagtapos sa CMS. Parang kilala ko to, Batch 2007, ahead kami ng 1 year dito. Si Crystal Joy Balolong. Yan, yun ang photo nila ng last reunion, And they're wearing the blue color. Yan sila Crystal, Alright, balikan natin yan, Let's just continue to play some of the anime songs ng bata pa tayo, Here's another one from Flame of Recca. Ewan ko kung alam nyo ito, Check your time, it's 1:55. Welcome, CMS at 30. And this is the CMS Radio Live.
目覚ましに起こされスケジュールをこなし時に笑顔作り残るは仲間
Theme song, no? Welcome again, no? You're listening to Marvin, and we are live sa Charisians at 30 Facebook page, no? Magandang hapon, no? It's 1:59 p.m. and nakatambay lang tayo, no? So stay at home, huwag na muna lalabas, no? Here's another song, no? From the 90s. Yung mga batch 90s, sigurado alam to, no?
She did
that was Mango Season, Sweet Soul Review. Sweet Soul Review pala yan. Again, welcome. Now you're listening to CMS Radio and we are live sa Facebook page, sa Cherishans at 30. Wala lang tayong magawa. My name is Marvin, batch 2006 ako. Huwag niyo kakalimutan. Batiin ko lang yung mga kabatch ko dyan, Kamusta na kayo? Siyempre, batiin na rin natin lahat ng Cherishans sa buong mundo, Meron sa States, maybe sa Europe, sa Middle East, sa Pangasinan, yung iba nasa Metro Manila, siguro nasa Visayas yung iba, Welcome, Tambayan lang to, Wala lang tayong magawa, so nasa bahay lang. Kung gusto niyo magkwento, pwede kayo mag-send ng comment. We have a Facebook group page. And I think ang administrator dito si Miss Freyas, and Emma. And remind ko lang, yung ating alumni association, meron tayong bagong president, si Chris. Si Sir Chris Kasupang, naalala niyo ba yan? Batch 94 ata siya. Alright. So ginagawa ko, I'm just going through some of the previous posts. 2019 pa nga ito eh. Again, wala lang tayong magawa, So siguro hanggang, I still have a couple of songs, maybe 3-4 songs pa. Alright, tingnan natin to. Batch 2000. Sino ba itong mga to? Parang kilala ko to. Kapatid si Golda to. Goldie? Miss Shapno, Batch 2000. So they're wearing the blue and white shirt. Nice. So Batch 2000, si Karen Revo Tibay, So si Karen, Batch 2000, siya nag-share ng photo nila, Wow. Ito yung mga 94s, si Sir Chris. Ito yung mga pioneer natin, Sila, ang nag-post nito si Sir Joseph Ang, Yun naman, 94s in red, si Raymond. I think this is Jessica, si Atilaya. And kuya ni Glenda Lim, Si Sir Chris and of course si Sir Coronel and Mrs. Coronel. So konti lang sila sa 94, napakakonti nila, Sila yung mga unang batch natin. Class of 1994. And ito parang familiar faces, batch 96 in action, Parang mga kakilala ko diyan, mga friends ko, mga batch 96, ahead sa akin to, 2000 tayo eh. Teka lang, wala yung aking sounds. Yun naman, Alright, palakpakan naman natin ang batch 96 in action, Yun naman sila in gray and white shirt, Next. Yun naman, ang mga batch 96 ladies. Yan sila, Honey Ann, Myra, Anna. Anna was also watching kanina, and Mel, And Camille Saroca was also watching. Thank you and magandang hapon dyan, si Hubert, batch 2007. Gray din ang kanilang color. Alright, batch 2007, sila Hubert Ferrer. Yun yung kanilang long-lived CMS batch 97. Right. And these are pictures from the alumni motorcade, Tara na. Hashtag 3 decades of excellence. Talaga naman. 3 decades. 30 years. Tagal nun. Ang hirap i-cover na. Paano kaya? Hindi ko alam paano papatugtugin eh. 30 years. Anyway, sabihin ko, magandang hapon ulit, We are just playing music and we are live sa ating Facebook Cherishans at 30, Ang batch 2003 peach color, yan ang kanilang t-shirt, Ang 2015. And sino to? Si Dr. Eliza Serrano Tamayo. So congratulations for passing. Dentist. Meron na tayong dentist. Oh. Yung mga masakit ng ipin dyan, ha? Diyan na kayo pumunta kay Eliza Serrano Tamayo. No? Sabihin nyo, CMS ka. Galing naman, ano? Meron tayong CMS. Sabi dito, batch 2012. Batang CMS. And hashtag CMS Pride. No? So, congratulations again. Eliza Serrano Tamayo. No? Okay, ano ba gagawin? Let's play another song. Maybe this, yung mga 2000, alam siguro to, ano? It's from the Wonder Girls, no?
You know I still love you, baby.
Di ko naiintindihan pero maganda
And
pakinggan.
you'll never change.
Yung
사랑해.
anime, tsaka to.
I want nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you. How can I be with another? I don't want any other. I want nobody, 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 nobody. Why are you trying to make me leave you? I know what you're thinking, baby. Why aren't you listening? How can I just love someone else and forget you completely? But I know you still love me. Telling me you're not good enough. My love with you is just too tough. You know it's not right, so just stop and come back, boy. How can this be when we were meant to be? I want nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you. How can I be with another? I don't want any other. I want nobody, 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 nobody. I want nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you. How can I be with another? I don't want any other. I want nobody, 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 nobody. Why can't we just be like this? 'Cause it's you that I need and nothing else until the end. Who else can ever make me feel the way I feel when I'm with you? No one will ever do. Telling me you're not good enough. My love with you is just too tough. You know me enough, so you know what I need, boy. Right next to you is where I need to be. I want nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you. How can I be with another? I don't want any other. I want nobody, 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 nobody. I want nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you. How can I be with another? I don't want any other. I want nobody, 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 nobody. I don't want nobody, I don't want nobody. Honey, you know it's you that I want, it's you that I need. Why can't you see? I want nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you. How can I be with another? I don't want any other. I want nobody, 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 nobody. I want nobody, nobody but you. Nobody. I want nobody but you. How can I be with another? I don't want any other. I want nobody, 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 nobody. Back to the days when we were so young and wild and free. Nothing else mattered other than you and me. So tell me why can't it be? Please let me live my life my way. Why do you push me away? I don't want nobody, 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 nobody but you.
Alright. Yun naman, ano? Nobody. Wonder Girls, no? Tingnan ko tong ating, ano ba yan? Yeah. May sound pala siya, no? Alright. Again, you're listening to CMS at 30, no? So, para siyang radio. CMS Radio. And wala lang tayo magawa, no? Tumatambay lang tayo dito.
Want to say the first.
My name is Marvin.
That's our love
Batch 2006 ho, no? Welcome na magandang hapon dyan sa mga walang magawa katulad ko, no? Mga tumatambay dyan. It's 2:13 p.m., no? Subukan naman natin mag-ingay. Ang hirap i-cover kasi 3 decades eh. So hindi ko alam kung anong gusto yung pakinggan na song eh, no? Anyway. Let's check this one out. Here's Megadeth, no? Symphony of Destruction. Again, welcome! CMS at 30, no? Magandang hapon, no?
You take a mortal man and put him in control. Watch him become a god. Watch people's heads roll. Just like the Pied Piper, let rest through the streets. Dance like a marionette, swaying to the symphony of destruction. Acting like a robot, its metal brain corrodes. You try to take us balls before the head explodes. Explodes. Just like the Pied Piper, let rest through the streets. Dance like a marionette, swing to the symphony. Just like the Pied Piper, let rest through the streets. We dance like marionettes, swing to the symphony. Swing to the symphony of the The earth starts to rumble. World powers fall. Roaring for the heavens. A peaceful man stands tall. Tall. Just like the Pied Piper, let rest through the streets. Dance like marionettes, swing to the symphony. Just like the Pied Piper, let rest through the streets. Dance like marionettes, swing to the symphony. Swing to the symphony of destruction.
Alright, that was Megadeth, no? Symphony of Destruction. Naks naman. Again, welcome, no? CMS at 30, no? Si Marvin po to, no? Welcome. It's 2:18 p.m. and we're live CMS 30.